Now let's go to the third installment of heat in the heart, tongue diagnosis. Number one, which tongue feature is associated with heart blood and yin deficiency with heat in the heart?
Ah, kapag may hard blood ka, red, very pointed, and contracted tip.
Okay.
Hit in the heart.
So what is wrong with number one? Bakit mali si number one? Anong pattern ni number one?
Liver.
Reddish, liver,
Liver.
blood deficiency.
Ah,
For everyone.
Pero reddish body.
Body with pale. I liver.
So usually
Liver.
pag reddish ang body, you will already think of kidney yin deficiency, di ba? Kasi chronic na siya. And ito yung sinasabi kanina, if you listen to the to the discussion of combination ng excess and deficient, no? Mixed type. So reddish body, kidney yin deficiency, leading to heat.
Deficiency.
So heat na siya. Kasi red na. So
Leading to
pagka red ng body niya, red tongue body, it's empty heat resulting from kidney yin deficiency. Excess na siya. Pale edges, liver blood deficiency. What about whitish dry coating? Anong ibig sabihin yan? So the dry coating pa lang, this is already very giving.
Very yin.
So meron ng dryness, no? A fluid deficiency, right? Pale red with many small cracks. Pag may nakita kang small crack, saan nang galing yon? Ano
Sa heart.
Ha?
stomach.
Stomach yin deficiency. Yin
Stomach
deficiency.
yin. Yin deficiency.
Okay, so now since we only have 25 questions, we have to discuss all the choices, no? In the 35-year-old female case, which Western diagnosis corresponds to constitutional heat in the heart as indicated? That means mana-mana na siya. There's nothing you can do about it. So na-trigger kayong mga constitutional heat in the heart kasi mahaba yung dila niya. 'Di ba? Hindi naman mana-mana. So what is the problem here?
Bipolar disorder.
Bipolar. Okay? So check nyo yung genealogy nyo kung may bipolar. So tingnan nyo yung dila nyo rin, no? Kung baka may constitution. Which background factor is unique to the 52-year-old female with bipolar disorder?
Family history of
Yes,
bipolar
family
disorder.
history. Kaya yung mga ganyan, may constitutional heat in the heart, bawal sila ma-stress. No? So if you remember,
Paparanelya sila.
oo. Tapos, di ba, dinivorce siya. Oh. Tapos may ano pa, may lahi pa, no? Okay. So yun, the presence of white thin dry coating with rootless coating at the root indicates the onset of deficiency of which organ system?
Stomach yin. White and thin and dry coating.
Dry coating. Ano yan?
Stomach yin.
Okay. In the case of pag nag-ano na siya, nag-yellow na,
stomach heat.
Na stomach fire. Pero ito stomach heat. In the case of the 50-year-old female with agoraphobia, anong agoraphobia? Ayaw niya ng open spaces.
Wide space.
No?
Agoraphobia.
Ayaw niya lumabas sa bahay. sa bahay lang. Which tongue characteristic directly points to kidney deficiency with constitutional heat in the heart?
Oh. Red and long.
Yeah, red and long.
Agoraphobia talaga.
So, which symptom pair is shared by the 46-year-old chronic polyarthritis patient? Actually, maraming ganyan. Ang dami-dami niyang joint pains. Pero in reality, hindi lang yon ang problema. May may pinanggalingan, no?
Tama.
So, meron
Bago kasi, na-experience ko yan, Doc, sa nanay ko. Bago magkaroon ng ganyan, nagkaroon na ng insomnia at anxiety.
Mm. Yun. So ano yung symptoms ng compulsive neurosis?
Palpitation.
So bawal ma-stress. Usually emotions, wag patadala sa emotion. The depression at the root of the tongue is a deficiency of what? Remember, nag-V na yun. Nakita niyo yung tongue kanina, nag-V na siya.
Essence.
Parang pamiukan, no?
Essence,
Pen.
the gene. Which case
Wow.
explicitly mentions a surgical trigger for the onset of symptoms, yung mga inoperahan. Di ba nagpa-hysterectomy siya?
Mm-mm.
Compulsive.
Compulsive, ano?
Neurosis.
52-year-old.
Neurosis.
52-year-old. The combination of red tip with protrusion, heart na heart, no? And pale edges on the tongue suggests concurrent hit in the heart and deficiency of which organ?
Liver blood.
Liver blood.
The white dry coating on the tongue indicates lack of fluids in
Stomach.
stomach. In the 52-year-old bipolar disorder case, which tongue sign directly corresponds to heart fire?
Pag heart fire pinag-uusapan, may red, very pointed tip with dark red points.
Okay. Tingnan niyo yung mga dila. Di ba ganyan yung dila mo? Joke.
Ano, Doc, ano na, balance na ako. Char.
Okay. Remember, the long tongue body is most frequently associated with which underlying TCM pattern? Mahaba ang dila.
Mahabang dila, constitutional hit in the heart.
Okay. Which background factor is shared between the 46-year-old chronic polyarthritis patient and the 70-year-old compulsive neurosis?
Long standing.
Kaya kalimutan bigla, no? Move on.
Kaya dapat single.
Stay single.
Nakarelate ako dito.
Stay
Ay,
single.
wow.
Better.
Bakit may ano pa rin? Compulsive. Bakit nagkaroon ka ba ng problema? Di ba? Hindi naman sa
Di ba namatayan ako ng partner, Doc, dati?
okay.
Oh, sorry.
Inano ka? Ano ka? Ay, wag na. Okay. Which symptom set is most indicative of stomachache deficiency?
Many small cracks.
Okay. Automatic yan, ha?
Ah,
Tapos pag
tama.
nag-red na yung tongue, kidney
Cracks
deficiency na rin yan.
Pag red na,
Kapag may kidney deficiency, obviously meron na siyang stomach deficiency. In the 70-year-old case, which tongue color combination suggests both kidney deficiency and ascendant liver yang? This is actually very common. Huh? Mixed siya.
Red with red.
Red sides. Red with red sides.
Huh? Yeah,
Red
red.
with
with
sides.
Red tongue with red
Liver
side. Which case lists painful and swollen wrist and ankle joints as primary symptom?
Polyarthritis to 46 years old, chronic polyarthritis.
Polyarthritis. Which Western diagnosis aligns with increased drive and strong thirst in the 35-year-old patient?
Siyempre, bipolar.
Okay. Nakaka-relate ka, sir, ano?
Yes, Doc. Pero wala akong bipolar, may kakilala lang ako may ganyan. Ni sign.
Okay. Sayang. Okay, the presence of red very the presence of red very pointed tip on the tongue is a hallmark of which TCM pathology? Red
Heart fire.
heart fire. Which, by the way, ano bang behavior ng isang may heart fire?
Sobrang galit niyan, Doc.
Tahimik ba
Konting
sila?
chemotherapy.
And ano yun?
Wala ka
Ano?
namang
May mga
sinasabi
mood
na
swings,
ganito.
Doc.
Ano, no?
Iniisip.
May
May
mga mood
may
swings.
fire ka, Doc. Irritable ka, sobrang galit mo. Parang gusto mong patayin yung
Mind
tao.
disturbance.
Actually, hindi tumitigil sa kasasalita
Oh,
Mm-mm.
salita ng salita.
Yes, Doc.
na ano. Kaya tingnan nyo yung mga lumalakad sa labas. Dapat
Mm.
dapat merong ano na train sa DSWD, di ba? Nakita nyo, lakad sila tapos salita ng salita. Tingnan nyo yung dila. Kunan nyo ng picture, ha? Mm. Yung
Baka
dila.
attack kami.
Number 19. Which symptom is common to both 35-year-old bipolar disorder patient and the 70? So kung napansin nyo, by mga bipolar, mga medyo bata-bata pa siya, no?
Irritability.
Irritability.
Irritability. Which tongue sign is unique to the 46-year-old chronic polyarthritis case?
Right. White is dry.
Dry coating.
Yes. Which Western diagnosis is paired with severe mental demands at work? Actually, this is very true. Kaya you should always ask ano yung trabaho ng pasyente mo for the last ilang years. Lalo na pag hindi na sila happy with the work.
Huwag papalabasin mo pa.
So ano yung Western diagnosis niya?
Chronic polyarthritis.
Polyarthritis. In the 70-year-old case, which symptoms suggest trauma from war?
Shell shock at teenager in World War II.
Okay. Which TCM organ deficiency is indicated by pale edges?
Liver
Liver blood.
Liver blood.
Liver blood.
Symptoms, sudden attacks of fright belongs to which diagnosis?
Neurosis.
Compulsive neurosis.
Compulsive neurosis. Which of the following is a TCM interpretation of heat from deficiency as seen on a tongue?
Reddish
Reddish
body.
Body. Nag-red siya, tapos walang coating. Automatic yan.
Empty heat.
Empty heat, very good. In the 70-year-old case, which combination of tongue colors indicates both heat in the heart and kidney yin deficiency?
Heat in the heart.
With red sides and white dry coating.
Okay, number 27, the presence of hot flushes and night sweats most closely aligns with which TCM pattern?
Night sweats.
Kidney, kidney
deficiency
deficiency with constitutional heat.
Constitutional heat. Wow, congratulations everyone. Perfect. Perfect ba?
Thank you, Doc.
Maraming salamat po.
Salamat, Doc.